subscribe and click the bell icon for television updates.
Actually getting goosebumps, because I can actually remember all the things are coming back to me. I can actually remember my time when I was here, and now I feel on the cloud nine. Things have really changed, and since the time I've become the queen, I have been really working and enjoying. And I would like to thank SR Queen and Shweta Roy for giving me this opportunity, and I'm making the most of it.
My journey was phenomenal, and for everything I would like to first of all thank Shweta Roy and the whole team of SR Queens Media Private Limited. Embracing womanhood is it gives another level of confidence and another level of experience. It gives you to realize about self-worth first of all, and after the pageant I just felt that I became more confident, and I am enjoying the phase even. So yeah,
लाइफ में इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती रहती है, हर किसी की लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आते रहते हैं, उसे फेस करते करते इंसान अपनी पहचान कहीं ना कहीं खो देता है, क्योंकि वो बाकी लोगों के सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए काम करता है, बाकी लोगों की खुशी के लिए काम करता है, और कहीं ना कहीं अपनी खुशी वो मतलब भूल ही जाता है. तो मेरी लाइफ में भी कुछ ऐसी ही चीज़ें पिछले 2 साल से हो रही थी. फिर श्वेता मैम का ये कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ. मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में मेरे से ज़्यादा उनको मेरे पे बिलीव था, उनको मेरे पे विश्वास था कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, और उनके कहने पर मैंने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया और आज मैं आपके सामने हूँ. वाकई में बहुत बड़ा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था मेरे लिए, क्योंकि एक अलग दुनिया है ये, और हम किसी अलग दुनिया नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रहे थे, लेकिन एक अलग दुनिया ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड में अब जुड़ चुके हैं. और बोलते ना जैसा देश वैसा भेष लेना ही पड़ता है. तो बस अब आपके सामने है ये गीतामृत.
I love being associated with anything that empowers women. Being a woman, I think it's one of the most privileged and important positions that I've had in my life. And if anybody asked me, what would you be like to born as again, I would say a woman.
I think when we had participated, the kind of exposure we have, there is no comparison to the kind of exposure and grooming that they have now. And especially because of all of y'all and social media, it's gone to another level. So having said that, at the same time, they have to be even more careful because they're more in media glare. Because of social media and all of that, they constantly are watched and judged. But it is really a very nice platform. I learnt a lot. And जो बचपन का स्टेज फ्राइट था एक ही झटके में ख़त्म हो गया when we had to face so many people and there were so many rounds, right from the swimsuit dreaded round that is the most dreaded round to every other, and the questionnaires that followed. I think it was really very grilling, and at that age when in our teens it was really fantastic exposure. So it's really nice. All these kind of platforms and pageants are giving women a chance to relive their dreams, to achieve probably something that they would not have been able to if a platform like this did not exist.
मैं लगती बहुत strict हूँ, लेकिन मैं हूँ बहुत lenient. I'm like a coconut. तो क्या हो जाता है ना? What happens is, I always say this. It's the luck of the contestant. One panel of judges would probably choose someone and the other would choose someone else. And it is just that little bit of, I don't know what it is, luck, that either because of which you win or lose. So at the end of the day, it is not really just the title, but the entire process of grooming, participating, the experience, the exposure that counts rather than just winning that title.
Anything that's firstly got to do with women empowerment, and I'm a complete feminist at heart. And secondly, because of the tagline Pehchan Meri, which I elaborated on just 5 minutes ago. So I was very happy, and these kind of platforms really make me feel good.
Well, my favorite tip, my best tip always is that, you know, outer beauty तो है ही है, सब देखते हैं, but you have to be beautiful from inside as well. You know, in the competition, it's a competition. So, you know, if you think that someone else needs your help, try to help other people also. So basically, do good, be good, and everything is, you know, noticed.
मैं पहले भी काम कर चुका हूँ, मुझे एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है ईशा के साथ प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने की, कमाल है। लेकिन जेन्युइनली मैं इस तरह के घिरा रहा हूँ महिलाओं से। मेरे रेडियो करियर में भी महिलाओं का बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहा है, और टेलीविज़न पर भी, और अब हाथ मतलब हाथ पैर नो, बट एक्चुअली जब मुझसे कहा कि इस तरह का शो होस्ट करना है, तो मैंने कहा चलो, जो मैं रेडियो पे कर रहा हूँ उसका एक एक्सटेंशन है कि जो मैं अब इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म पे करूँगा, तो वही सब है और कुछ खास नहीं। जो हमारे कंटेस्टेंट ने कहा कि बी रियल, बिकॉज दे वर रियल, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हियर। तो रियल जो हूँ मैं रेडियो पे था, जो घर पे हूँ, जो मैं यहाँ हूँ, जो मैं वहाँ हूँ, मैं वही हूँ।
Fitness tip for now, तो I think yes, have your goddamn proteins. So that is what everyone says. So have your goddamn proteins. As simple as that. Absolutely. So we are going back to the roots. जो पहले लोग sunset के time पे खाना खा लेते थे. So actually अब देखा जाए तो वही सही लगता है सबको. After exploring all the things and सारे recipes and all this and that, लोग वापस देसी घी के ही तरफ आए हैं. So that is in today and that is what is to be done जो हमारे पूर्वज करते थे. So I think that is the tip in thing right now.
इवेंट बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत इंस्पायरिंग इवेंट है. हमारे जो लेडीज़ हैं, वुमेन हैं, सबको नई पहचान मिलेगी इस इवेंट में जो भी पार्ट लेंगे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो देख रहे होंगे, दे विल बी इंस्पायर्ड टू टेक पार्ट इन इट इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर. इतने सालों से मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ और आफ्टर आई जॉइन दिस शो, तब से मुझे भी वापस मॉडलिंग की तरफ थोड़ा अट्रैक्शन होने लगा है. एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक आई शुड maybe give time to modeling or ramp also, because of course this is also a really good line and very inspiring line. So yes, मन करता है कभी कभी, but I am more of an actor and I feel more comfortable being an actor. So change तो नहीं करने वाली मैं. I'll always be an actor only.
So I'll tell you what we have planned actually. We are looking at something where we can actually have each particular girl not only learn about makeup but also learn about skincare this time, and we are going to go ahead and try and put together a custom made kit for each girl. So that means each girl is going to go ahead and learn which colors are good for her for daytime, which colors are good for her for night makeup. So this is something very important, and this is going to be the whole focus and the aim that we are coming on board with. At the end of it, we want each girl to know how to dress for day, how to dress for night in the correct colors and the appropriate style.
Well, I thought because it's a press conference, so I thought I'll dress up a little formally and not very blingy. So just chose a formal dress, and because it's winter season, hence boots. जितना भी winter मिलता है मुंबई में.
Yes, you get a chance.
Yeah.
अच्छा, हमें एक गुड न्यूज़ भी मिली है कि बहुत ही जल्द आप शादी करने वाले हैं. इस बारे में क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Yes, very soon. Actually, there's just 1 month left now, and I'm excited about it. Full prep चल रहा है and a lot of work. अब मुझे पता चल रहा है कि actually wedding is like a event. वो करने में कितनी preparation चाहिए होती है, तो वो चल रहा है preparation.
शो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, इसके अलावा और कौन कौन से आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स में हम आपको देखने वाले हैं?
सो मेरी 2 वेब सीरीज़ आने वाली हैं अब तो, बिकॉज नाउ द ईयर इज़ ओवर, सो नेक्स्ट ईयर स्टार्टिंग में वो रिलीज़ हो जाएंगी. इट्स फॉर हंगामा प्ले एंड MX, सो दैट इज़ देयर, एंड कुंडली भाग्य.